Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis so that you can move into working from home, your dream job, and have that work-life balance. Today's job lead is a customer service support role. However, it is non-phone based. Not all customer service has to be taking inbound phone calls. With the internet today, there is a lot of email, chat, and typing based customer service, and that is what this is. The company CrossFit is hiring a customer service representative to deliver world-class customer service, and they use email and ticketing systems like Zendesk. So they are specifically looking for someone to provide concierge-style service to their CrossFit community, cultivating lifetime loyalty to their brand. You will be fielding inquiry emails and resolving or escalating customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback as quickly and efficiently as you can. You'll serve as the point of contact from CrossFit Games to the public and participants or athletes who have questions or need information. You'll also provide any back-end support to all of their virtual CrossFit game competitions. You'll work across the company with other support teams to document, track, and improve their customer experience and issue resolution. Now, they do not require any kind of degree for this position, but they are looking for someone who has great attention to detail with strong organizational skills, someone who has an understanding of CrossFit Games or related sporting events, someone who has the ability to work in a team environment and contribute as a team player, and someone who can work effectively while remaining flexible. Now, this position does pay very well. It pays anywhere from $25 to $27 an hour, and it says plus bonuses depending on experience, so there is opportunity for bonuses. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to comment anything down below specifically that you are looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.